English conversation, speaking and listening skills practice, questions and answers.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m. I feel a little sleepy, but I get up slowly. I stretch my arms and legs. Then I sit up on the bed.
What do you do after waking up?
After waking up, I brush my teeth. I use toothpaste and a toothbrush. I wash my face with cold water. It helps me feel fresh and awake.
Do you eat breakfast in the morning?
Yes, I eat breakfast every morning. I usually eat eggs and toast. Sometimes I drink a glass of orange juice. Eating breakfast makes me feel strong.
What do you wear in the morning?
I wear my favorite clothes. Usually, I wear a t-shirt and jeans. If it's cold, I put on a sweater. I like to be comfortable.
Do you drink coffee or tea?
Yes, I drink coffee in the morning. I like it with milk and sugar. Sometimes I drink tea instead. It depends on how I feel.
What time do you leave your house?
I leave my house at 8:30 a.m. I take my bag with me. I make sure I have my keys and phone. Then I go outside and start my day.
Do you walk to work or school?
I walk to work because it's close. Takes about 15 minutes. I like walking in the morning. The fresh air feels nice.
What do you see on your way to work?
I see many people on the street. Some are walking and some are riding bikes. I also see shops and trees. The streets are busy in the morning.
What time do you start working?
I start working at 9 a.m. I sit at my desk and turn on my computer. Then I check my emails and messages. After that, I begin my tasks.
Do you take breaks at work?
Yes, I take short breaks. I get up and stretch my legs. Sometimes I drink water or eat a snack. It helps me stay focused.
What do you do during lunch?
I eat lunch at 12:30 p.m. I usually bring food from home. Sometimes I eat a sandwich with fruit. After eating, I take a short walk.
Do you talk to your coworkers?
Yes, I talk to my coworkers sometimes. We talk about work and fun things. It's nice to take a short break with them. We laugh and share stories.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job. It is interesting and I learn new things. My coworkers are friendly. Every day is different, so I enjoy it.
What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5 p.m. I clean my desk and turn off my computer. Then I get ready to leave. I feel happy because the day is done.
How do you get home from work?
I walk home from work. It's the same way I came in the morning. The streets are quieter now. It's a nice way to relax.
What do you do when you get home?
When I get home, I take off my shoes. I sit down and relax for a few minutes. Sometimes I watch TV or read a book. It's nice to rest after work.
Do you eat dinner at home?
Yes, I usually eat dinner at home. I cook something simple like pasta or rice. Sometimes I make a salad. I enjoy making dinner by myself.
What time do you eat dinner?
I eat dinner around 7 p.m. I like to eat early so I have time to relax later. I sit at the table and enjoy my meal. It's a peaceful time.
Do you clean up after dinner?
Yes, I clean up after dinner. I wash the dishes and wipe the table. It doesn't take much time. Feels good to have a clean kitchen.
What do you do in the evening?
In the evening, I watch TV or read. Sometimes I call my friends to talk. I like to relax and enjoy quiet time. It helps me unwind after a long day.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like to draw and paint. Sometimes I also play the guitar. I enjoy being creative. It makes me feel happy and calm.
Do you exercise in the evening?
Yes, I exercise sometimes in the evening. I do yoga or go for a walk. It helps me stay healthy and feel good. After exercising, I feel more relaxed.
Do you watch movies or shows at night?
Yes, I like watching movies or shows at night. I usually watch comedies because they are fun. Sometimes I watch a documentary to learn new things. Watching TV helps me relax before bed.
Do you use your phone a lot in the evening?
Sometimes I use my phone in the evening. I check messages or watch videos, but I try not to use it too much. It's better to relax without it.
Do you read before going to bed?
Yes, I often read a book before bed. I like reading stories or learning something new. It helps me feel sleepy. I usually read for about 30 minutes.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10:30 p.m. I feel tired after the day. I brush my teeth and wash my face before bed. Then, I lie down and turn off the lights.
Do you sleep well at night?
Yes, I sleep well most nights. I try to relax before bed, so I don't think too much. If I am very tired, I fall asleep quickly. Good sleep helps me feel strong for the next day.
Do you set an alarm for the morning?
Yes, I always set an alarm before I sleep. I set it for 7 a.m. It helps me wake up on time. I don't want to be late.
Do you prepare your clothes for the next day?
Sometimes I prepare my clothes for the next day. I choose what I want to wear. It makes my morning easier. Then, I don't have to think too much when I wake up.
Do you write in a diary at night?
Yes, sometimes I write in my diary. I write about my day and how I feel. It helps me clear my mind before bed. I enjoy looking back at my thoughts later.
Do you listen to music before bed?
Yes, I sometimes listen to soft music before bed. It helps me relax and feel calm. I like quiet, gentle songs. Music helps me fall asleep faster.
Do you meditate before going to sleep?
Yes, I meditate for a few minutes sometimes. I sit quietly and breathe deeply. It helps me relax my mind and body. After meditating, I feel more peaceful.
Do you have a bedtime routine?
Yes, I follow a simple routine before bed. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and change into pajamas. Then, I read a little or listen to music. It helps me sleep better.
Do you ever stay up late?
Sometimes I stay up late. If I watch a good movie, I can lose track of time. But I try not to stay up too late. I feel tired the next day if I don't sleep enough.
What do you dream about at night?
I dream about many things. Sometimes I dream of traveling or meeting friends. Other times, I don't remember my dreams. It's always a surprise.
Do you feel excited for the next day?
Yes, I feel excited for the next day. I like to think about the things I will do. Each day is different and full of possibilities. It makes me feel happy.
What do you do if you can't sleep?
If I can't sleep, I read a book. Reading helps me feel sleepy. Sometimes I drink a glass of water. Soon I start to feel tired and can sleep.
Do you sleep with the lights on or off?
I sleep with the lights off. I like the room to be dark. It helps me relax and fall asleep. If there is too much light, I can't sleep well.
Do you use a blanket when you sleep?
Yes, I always use a blanket when I sleep. Keeps me warm and comfortable. I like a soft and cozy blanket. It helps me sleep better.
Do you wake up during the night?
Sometimes I wake up during the night. If it's too hot or cold, I might wake up, but I go back to sleep quickly. I try to make my room comfortable for better sleep.
Do you wake up early on weekends?
No, I usually sleep in on weekends. I don't set an alarm. It's nice to rest and sleep longer. Weekends are for relaxing.
Do you go to bed earlier during the week?
Yes, I go to bed earlier during the week. I need to wake up early for work. Going to bed early helps me feel more rested. I feel better the next day.
Do you like mornings or evenings more?
I like evenings more. The day is done and I can relax. I enjoy spending time reading or watching TV. Evenings feel peaceful to me.
Do you feel tired after work?
Yes, sometimes I feel very tired after work. Working all day can be hard. I relax for a while when I get home. It helps me feel better.
Do you enjoy cooking dinner?
Yes, I enjoy cooking dinner. It's fun to make different meals. I like trying new recipes. It's also healthier to cook at home.
Do you eat snacks after dinner?
Yes, sometimes I eat snacks after dinner. I like to eat fruit or nuts. It's a small treat before bed. But I try not to eat too much.
Do you check your phone before bed?
Yes, sometimes I check my phone before bed. I look at messages or read the news. But I try not to use it for too long. It's better for my sleep.
Do you talk to your family before sleeping?
Yes, I sometimes talk to my family before bed. We talk about our day and what we did. It's nice to share things with them. It makes me feel close to my family.
Do you feel happy at the end of the day?
Yes, I usually feel happy at the end of the day. I think about what I did and how I feel. If it was a good day, I feel proud. It's nice to relax and rest.
Do you think about tomorrow before sleeping?
Yes, I sometimes think about tomorrow. I plan what I will do, but I don't worry too much. I try to focus on resting.
Do you use a pillow when you sleep?
Yes, I always use a pillow when I sleep. It helps support my head and neck. I like a soft but firm pillow. It makes sleeping more comfortable.
Do you check the weather for the next day?
Yes, I check the weather before going to bed. It helps me decide what to wear the next day. If it's going to rain, I bring an umbrella. It's good to be prepared.
Do you turn off your phone before bed?
Yes, I turn off my phone before I go to bed. I don't want any noise while I sleep. It helps me rest better. No distractions mean better sleep.
Do you ever sleep with the window open?
Yes, I sometimes sleep with the window open. Fresh air feels good at night. But if it's too cold, I keep it closed. I like a cool breeze while I sleep.
Do you wear pajamas to bed?
Yes, I wear pajamas when I go to bed. They are soft and comfortable. I like wearing loose clothes for sleep. It helps me feel relaxed.
Do you ever sleep in the afternoon?
Sometimes I take a nap in the afternoon. If I feel very tired, I rest for 20 to 30 minutes. A short nap helps me feel more awake. It's nice to rest for a little while.
Do you say goodnight to your family?
Yes, I say goodnight to my family before bed. It's a nice way to end the day. We all wish each other sweet dreams. Then we go to sleep.
Do you feel relaxed when you go to bed?
Yes, I usually feel relaxed when I go to bed. I make sure to unwind before sleeping. I read, listen to music, or meditate. It helps me sleep well.
Do you sleep with a lot of pillows?
No, I only use one pillow when I sleep. It's enough for me. Too many pillows make it hard to sleep. I like to keep it simple.
Do you like sleeping in on the weekends?
Yes, I love sleeping in on weekends. I don't set an alarm and wake up naturally. Feels good to get extra rest. Weekends are a time to relax.